So let's try to find S13 for the following sequences. And again, I need to know if they are arithmetic or geometric. So I'm going to start off by seeing if there's a difference. 13 to 9 is a difference of 4. 9 to 5 is a difference of 4, and I'm going down. So it seems to have a difference of minus 4. So a to the n is going to equal my starting point, 13, plus negative 4 times n minus 1. Again, I could simplify a bit. Negative 4 times n is negative 4n plus 4, so 17 minus 4n equals a to the n. Now, my partial sums for arithmetic is n times a1 plus an over 2. So averaging my first and my last times number of things. So a1 in this case is 13. An I could find. N is 13, so I'm looking for S13 because that's what it said at the top. So I'm looking for, we have a lot of 13s going on here. 13, because that was my n. A1 is 13. An, I'm going to come out here and say, what is a to 13? So 17 minus 4 times 13. So 4 times 13 is 52. 17 minus 52 would be a negative 35. So this would just give me negative 35. So 13 plus a negative 35 over 2. So I can simplify this a bit more. So negative 35 plus 13 should be 22, I think. So it should be negative 22. So that'd be negative 11 times 13. Hopefully we can figure that one out pretty well. So negative 11 times 13 should equal 143. And so this one would be a negative 143, sorry. So if I added all of these up, and the first 13 of them, it's actually going to be a pretty large negative number. That's because once we get past the first 4, they're all starting to get pretty large negative numbers. Okay, so let's do the second one. Second one, 32 to 8 would be 24. To 2 would be 6, so this is not arithmetic. This is going to be geometric. So my S to the n of geometric is just a1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So I need to know a1, which I have. So 13 would equal 32. And I need to know my r. Well, my difference between 8 and 32, my ratio, would be divided by 4, would be 1/4. From 2 to 8 would be 1/4. From 1/2 to 2 would be 1/4. So I have an r equaling 1/4. So I'm going to get 1 minus 1/4 to the n over 1 minus 1/4. Can simplify it a little bit if I want to. So 1 minus 1/4 I could do. That would be 4 over 4 minus 1/4. It would be 3/4 on the bottom. And I could say, well, what is 32 divided by 3/4? So that would be 32 times 4 over 3. But then we still would have that 1 minus 1/4. Let's write this a little neater down here, sorry. 32, well, also let's try to figure it out a little bit, because we can simplify it a little bit. 32 times 4 should give me 128. 128 is not divisible by 3, so we're going to leave it with 128 over 3. And then I still am left with that top. I'm still left with that 1 minus 1/4, and it's not really to the n. I should have replaced it up here. My n was 13, so it's to the 13. I do not know this without a calculator, so I'm going to leave that there. Okay, so that's how we can find these.